All right, hello everyone, and watch list time. So I did have a previous video out earlier today with Connor. That was the Trade Talk series, and it's episode 99 we're up to. So now we go in a little bit of detail about how the trades are going that we currently have open. Connor was Euro Swiss short, and I'm pound yen long. So what this will be now is a bit of a watch list sort of video, like what I'm really looking to potentially trade next week. The risk is off on the pound yen, so I am in a position to take the trade. So, all right. So I've got the USDCAD, and the USDCAD is interesting, and the 55 EMA is sitting pretty nice. So price is below it, so it's downtrending. To me now, this is pretty significant. So it's sold off. Pardon me, sold off. Had an attempted bounce. There was some strength there, and it's turned pretty aggressively. So how it closed on Friday is, to me, this is sort of looking like a short. We'll see come Tuesday or Wednesday. So I'm not going to just jump into this first thing Monday. That's not what I'm going to be doing. It's looking like a reversal, but I still, ideally on Monday, if we could have a little bit of a rally, and then Tuesday comes London session, I wait for, and if we can see something like, maybe not as large as this candle, but I would still sell into this. Even something like this is fine. Something like that is good. Sorry if I'm a little bit out of it. I worked today just a few hours, but was outside, so it was pretty rough at the airport. It was about, like, I don't know, 42 out in the sun, so I feel like I can punch the head, so I'm going to try and be as coherent as possible. Alright, so that's USD CAD. See USD yen. I'm not going to put a time on this video. I mean, if it goes over 10 minutes, that's fine. USD yen. I'm not really particularly interested in it. As you can see, there's not a whole lot of interest here. The candle's very small, and this to me, there's not enough there for me to say buy or sell. It's just like, ugh. And USD Swiss as well. It's sort of like attempted to continue higher, to near parity, but it's not doing that. So again, it's like the USD yen. There's not enough there, information wise, for me to go long or short. It's just a bit of a no-go situation. So oh, I'm a little rough right now. So, and Aussie dollar. Now, how did that close on the day? Yeah, same. Whoa. Okay. That's pretty nice. I'm going to look at this, and I'm going to continue monitoring this throughout next week as a potential long. So overall, my bias for the Aussie dollar is short. Go to the weekly. What's the load? So the weekly candle is interesting. That's bullish. That is bullish. Just looking at that. So yeah, long Aussie dollar potentially. Now I don't want to go into entries and where the stops are going to be at, because I don't trade Monday. I'm not interested in jumping in. I'm not about that. So that's just how I do it. So I apologize if that's disappointing, but you want to get some information, on the Monday, see what things are doing. Ideally, you don't want to see it just take off on Monday. You don't really want to see that, because the rest of the week can be the complete opposite. It'll be on the 4 hour. It won't be the 1 hour. The stop. I prefer wider stops, to be honest. Just little vulnerable to algos and things like that. Okay, Aussie Kiwi on the daily. Yeah, it's a mixed bag there. It's basing off some support in the low 105s, but the Aussie dollar much cleaner, much easier for me to sort of read. It's no. bearish on the Aussie, to be honest. So just going to close that down. And gold we talked about extensively. Connor and I did. You know, like you could long it to this next sort of level here. The stop would be based on the 55 moving average as well. So yeah, okay. So the problem is the stop is like over 40. So it's like a 1-to-1. You have to really tighten the stop up a little. What about the 4 hour? Oof. Okay. On the 4 hour, we'll see. You know, so gold is potentially long as well. Again, you know, disclaimer, it's possibly, like, I don't just sort of just go in. I want to see good candles closing near their highs, and I don't want to see like a massive bullish candle either. That's a little concerning to me. That's screaming, you know, pullback. So that's a disclaimer. Euro pound. Look, Euro pound is a potential short. I mean, I love trend trading, so just looking at that, it's sort of saying to me, "Ooh, man, nice." Look, the stop there would be a little too tight, so I'd probably play it on the 4 hour. That's all. Okay. So Euro pound's in the mix. I'm just sort of giving you my insight, so that's all. I'm not saying immediately do anything when the market opens. I'll be up for market open though. Just I'll be at work, so USDCAD. I think that's going to be it, guys. That's it for now. So really, Aussie dollar, the pound I talked about in the previous video. So check out the previous video. That's, you know, a potential long still, but you know, we'll wait and see on that. And that's it. Yeah, that's it. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.